Hello and welcome to Maxkinon Marketplace. Here you can get the premium themes and plugin, also Android source code and PHP script with PC software and MacBook software. So today we reveal our best offer. So we are running a offer for mobile application and mobile app clone with 5 bonus UI kit with a limited offer. This is only 12 days are left for this offer. So also you can download with our membership with join, be a club member or Maxkinon Marketplace. So today we check what's the offer and what's the benefit on this mobile kit. So here the option for the view details. So we can see here the all details what we get. The easy to ready use clone f bundle. So also you can publish on Google Play Store and App Store and both. So this is the mobile course bundle. Here the all premium course, premium application and source code here, and no need to any coding, just run and build application and live your business. So that's the options, and this modern design, easy to edit, and we you can get the documentation with the license key. That's the option, and to build the industry platform with Android source code. You can read the all details in description for in details. Also you get free design premium app UI kit template. Also you get 200 plus games, 200 plus CRM software and admin templates with graphics bundle with management software. Everything you can get just one time payment and best offer. This package come with 521 in Indian currency. So you get now this our offer price is 269. So you can get from here, and this is the instant action button. So you can get, just click this button and add to cart.
Pika pika.
So it's now on our cart. It's total the 303. So you can get, uh, you need to pay the TDS this estimate for India. So at the click to proceed to checkout, and you need to put all details for payment, and you can choose this PayPal, Stripe for credit card. This is the Rajapur for India, and all international card for you can click here for Stripe. Must be at same address details as your bank, because then payment will be proceed and will be deducted from your card. Not is will be failure. This always provide the card details, otherwise the payment will be failure. So this is the mandatory, and this is the regulation of Stripe and PayPal. This must be enter your address, correct address. So here the details. Today video, that's the today video. You can buy the mobile starter kit. Also we have this mobile starter uh, pro version. You can also get 2000 plus and 1000 plus UI kit, everything. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.